Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this course on how to use Design Ball to create different types of designs and basically to create the types of graphics designs that you can use for your business without to outsource or spend countless hours on trying to figure out graphic design with complicated apps and softwares like Photoshop or other ones. So in the previous lectures, we have seen how you can create an account for free on Design Ball, how you can select a template, and how you can select different types of elements from your template so that you can customize it. Now we will go in more depth about how you can edit these elements so that you have a great looking design that you can use for your business. So first of all, in the previous lecture, we have selected this design that you can see right now on your screen. We have seen that we can select different elements of your designs. This is a template which is created from frames. So we have like two frames, the one from the left side and the one from the right side. Okay, the one from the left side is a photo and we can edit it pretty simple. Okay, you can see that it's a cropped photo. If you double click on it, you can move it around. Let's leave it like this. The forward and the back buttons represent basically the editor works in layouts. So you have different elements and you can bring an element to the front of the layout or you can put it in the back of the layout. Let me show you more exactly on the text how this works. If we take it back, you won't be able to see it, right? If we put the background, the black background back, you will be able to see the text again because the text is again in the front of the one of the front layouts, right? So we have different elements which represent different layouts and we work with different layouts. Okay, so one can be in the front and another one in the back. Obviously we want the text to be in the front all the time. Now let me show you how we can change the photo here. You have the option to crop it, you have the option to delete it, you have the option to set transparency, you have different filters, which is pretty cool. Let me select the filters, just 1 second. Okay, you can see that we have some predefined filters here like festive. Okay, and you can see it's changed right now. We can select the intensity of a filter, which is pretty neat. Okay, we can highlight if we want to. So we have different options for these filters, which is pretty damn cool, right? Then we have spacing. Okay, from the borders of the photo, we won't use probably a lot that, and that's pretty much it. And we can change the actual photo. Now, how do we change the photo? We go in the left side menu in the element section. We look for free photos. We select all. If you want, you can also upload your own elements. And let's say that we want to put in this one. We just select it and just drag and drop it here. Okay, very simple. So absolutely very simple. This is how you edit this part, okay, with the photos. Now let's go to the right side of the image. Here we have a black background. We can change it from here. We have this menu, we can put it on red if we want to. Okay, it looks more nice. Or we can choose the color from here. Okay, let's leave it like that. Then we have the text. We just have to select the text. Okay, and we can customize the text. Just put it home. Okay, we can change the font if we want to. Let me just select the whole text again. We can change the font with this one, for example. You have plenty of fonts here. I'm just showing you guys examples. From here we can change the size of the font. Okay, we can copy the text, we can delete it, and we have some other options as well, which are available for some fonts and from other ones not. For example, if we choose the font Arial, we will have also the option to have a bolded text, an italic text, the uppercase text. Okay, you can see that it makes all the letters upper letters. We can align it, text spacing, we can link the text, and we can give it transparency. Okay, make it less visible like this one. This is just an example. So this is how we edit text. Then we have these elements here like these arrows. We can change the color to them. The rest of the text, you know how to use it, okay, and how to customize this is basically how you can customize your template. Now obviously you can add different new elements to your template And if we go in the left side menu, in a different lecture we will show you how you can use elements more in depth, like on a blank canvas. And you can see that we have different elements here, like grids, free photos, premium database, shapes. If we click on all, we will be able to see all the shapes, right, that we can use. And let's say that we want to insert a new shape. We will just select a new shape, let's say this one, and we have inserted it, right? And we can play with the shape, we can change the colors. Every shape will have different options. Let's delete this one. Okay, but that's the whole idea. I mean, you understand, we can also drag and drop it, we can edit the shapes, we can do whatever we want with them. They are simple layers, right? Pretty neat, pretty simple, pretty cool, right? So we can add different elements all the time. So we have shapes, we have grids, we have photos, we have frames. Let me just click on the close button. Lines, we have lines, we can see all the lines in here. Okay, let's go back. And plenty of other options as well. We can close the menu, bring it back. Let me scroll down a little bit. We have frames and we have icons. Icons are pretty cool because you can add different elements like emoticons to your image and so on. But we will discuss about that in our next lecture. That was pretty much for this lecture. I hope that you understand much better right now how you can customize your template and edit it. And in the next lecture, we will see how we can use different elements and how to insert text in our graphic. Now, thank you very much for your attention, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture.